Hello children and welcome to today's online class. Children, we have already learned about slope and we have learned three formulas to find slope. Today we will learn the relation between two slopes. That means when there will be two lines and then they will have two slopes, and what kind of relation will those two slopes will have. Such questions we will discuss. So children, here I have a formula for you. If two lines of slopes m1 and m2 are parallel, then m1 equal to m2. Now children, one small example I want to give you. Think two lines, slopy lines, you can see they are parallel to each other. Okay, they are parallel. You can see the distance between them is being maintained. It is parallel to each other. Think it is having slope m1 and it is having slope m2. As we express the slope by letter m, but there are two slopes, so I wrote m1 and m2. So if they are parallel to each other, then as per our formula, if these two lines having slope m1 and m2 are parallel, then m1 is equal to m2. That means whatever will be the value of m1, same will be the value of m2. m1 equal to m2. Next, if two lines of slope m1 and m2 are perpendicular, almost same thing, but the lines are not parallel, but the lines are perpendicular to each other, then m1 into m2, that means first slope into second slope, is equal to -1. Now diagram little bit you change. Suppose slopy line, another slopy line coming and just touching here, and these two lines are perpendicular to each other, that means making 90 degree at the base here. So if such condition happens, I made a little bit slanted line because we are speaking about slope. So to make, otherwise we can make like this also, no issue. This is also perpendicular, but just to explain you about the slope, I am making such diagram, no issue. But so when this kind of incident takes place, two lines are perpendicular to each other, think this is having slope m1 and this is having slope m2, then the formula says m1 into m2, first slope into second slope, equal to -1. That means when you multiply both the slope, the value will be -1. This is formula number 2. Now based on these two formulas, having the relation of parallel and perpendicular, the two slopes having relation of parallel and perpendicular, based on these two relation, parallel and perpendicular, we will have some discussion of questions. So I have one question for you children. So let me erase this children. Now let us move on towards a question. I have first question here. The line A and B, where coordinate of A is -2, 3 and coordinate of B is 4, the small letter b, is perpendicular to line, and another line is given in the equation. The equation of line is 2x minus 4y equal to 5. Find the value of b. So this b you have to find, because point b, the small value small b is unknown, that we have to find. And you know the two lines, the first line AB and the second line 2x minus 4y equal to 5, the two lines are perpendicular to each other. And just now we have learned, when two lines are perpendicular to each other, slope of first one multiplied with slope of second one equal to -1. So you can do like that, m1 into m2 equal to -1, because the two lines are perpendicular to each other. When they are perpendicular, the two slopes multiplied is equal to -1. Now children, when two coordinates are given, in the previous video we have learned how to find slope. When two coordinates are given, we have to find slope by using the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So here the first line AB, slope m1, we will find by using the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into, dot means into, m2 means slope of second line. As the line is given in the equation of straight line, and when equation of straight line is given, slope formula is minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y, which we already have discussed in the last video. Use that formula. Second slope m2 minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. Don't forget equal to minus 1. Now children, we will put the respective value. Very easy children. Who is y2 minus y1? Second value. This is y2, this is y1. b minus 3 is y2 minus y1. And who is x2 minus x1? First value, but from here to here. 4 minus minus 2. 4 minus minus 2. But minus minus is plus. That means 4 plus 2. This minus and this minus will become plus. So 4 plus 2 into minus coefficient of x. Minus coefficient of x means coefficient of x is what? 2. So I can write minus 2. Minus is our formula and 2 is the coefficient of x. Coefficient of y. Who is coefficient of y? Minus 4. So write minus 4. In case of plus 4, we write only 4. But when there is minus, you have to write the letter minus also. The symbol minus. Okay. Equal to minus 1. Cancel both the minus and write 1 by 2. Okay children. Slowly we will multiply, but let us take time for some time now. b minus 3, and here it will be 4 plus 2 6 into 1 by 2 equal to minus 1. Okay children, you multiply these two numbers. b minus 3 multiplying with 1, it will be same. b minus 3 and 6 to the 12 equal to minus 1. We have to find the value of b. So now this 12 will go and cross multiply with whom? Minus 1. So our answer is about to come. b minus 3 equal to 12 ones are 12 but minus 12. Next, b equal to minus 12 plus 3. Therefore, b equal to, our answer will be 9 but minus 9. So find the value of b. The value of b is minus 9. So you saw children just now, the word perpendicular helped us to find the value of b, because when we heard it is perpendicular, the two lines are perpendicular, we could recall the formula for perpendicular. m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1, and that helped us to get the value of b, and b value is minus 9, which is our answer. So this word parallel and word perpendicular is very important in this chapter. Whenever you hear these two words, perpendicular and parallel, please recall these two formulas. Okay, thank you children.